guys, today I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a very easy, crispy calamari. So to make this, I have here the calamari rings already cleaned. I'm going in with some green seasoning, which you can find in the description box, the recipe for that. Lemon pepper, Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. Some Slap Your Mama, which is a Cajun seasoning blend. If you can't find this, just use any Cajun seasoning you have on hand. And some fish Maggi season up. Next goes in some paprika, some black pepper, and some salt. Mix to combine and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, let's mix the dry ingredients. So in a bowl, I'm going in with flour and cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to make this very crispy. Some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, some black pepper, and mix. I'm not adding any salt because the Goya has salt in it. Place the rings into the seasoned flour. Mix well to coat the rings properly. And next, you'll want to shake off any excess flour that's on the rings. This goes into your hot oil. It's not going to take very long to fry because it is seafood. So we're going to fry these for about 5 to 8 minutes until they're golden and crisp. I promise you guys, these are going to be the crispiest rings you've ever had. Very crispy and very easy to put together, as you can see. Once it has a beautiful golden color, drain it on some paper towels and then it will be ready to be served. So that you can serve this with your favorite dip. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know down below if you like it. You can also use onion rings in place of the calamari rings. Thank you. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.